With number 18, we have trig functions again. And with trig functions, you want to let u equal the one that has the power. So last time we let u equal sine, this time we're going to let u equal cosine. So du is equal to a negative sine of x dx. And let's move that negative sign over. So negative du is equal to sine x dx. So these will be my substitutions. Again, I want to have only u's and a du in my integral. So negative du, u cubed. So this is going to be, if I, let's actually rewrite it as negative u to the negative 3 du. And if I integrate, this is negative u to the negative 2 over negative 2 plus c. So a lot of negative signs here. I'm actually going to move that down to the denominator, so negatives cancel out. I have 1 over 2 cosine squared of x plus c. And that'll be our answer.